To be or not to be. This is our Toyota Sienna. You saw us talking about this on the last video where we were trying to decide whether to go ahead and fix the alternator or let it go and sell it for cheap and let them deal with it. Well, as you can see, we're in the middle of repairing the alternator on the cheap here and seeing where it goes. So, what do you think? No alternator there. Actually, the alternator is over here. There's the old one we took out. There's the new one from Amazon. So, check the link below if you want to get an alternator for a Toyota Sienna V6 from Amazon, and all the same price to you, but they will give us a little affiliate, amount, whatever that is, some piddly amount that makes it worthwhile for the channel. But in any case, you can see we've got the, let's see, the belt off, took off the fan here. And one tip that you might want to think about is when you're pulling the hose off of this area here, this hose off of here, is do not wiggle it too aggressively, because you will break possibly this off, or down in here, this seam, if you put too much side load on this trying to get off the hose. Because now we're in the middle of having to replace the radiator here, and in the middle of trying to source that somewhere. We don't know if that's going to be Amazon, probably somewhere else. But in any case, just be careful when you're taking that hose off, because this is all plastic up on this top here that's sealed to the metal radiator, but not for long if you have an old one that's been cycled, thermal cycled several thousand times, and very weak down here at the seam. Again, be careful on that, and also probably be careful anywhere else you take off parts, because the plastic on these older engines is weak. So there it is. See it and weep. It's crazy, but it's true. Let me know in the comments whether you would like to try this, and if you actually went to get the alternator from Amazon to try to put this in. You might want to check out some other videos that we have here about the Sienna, because if you have one of these, you're probably going to go through the same items that we're going through here in your ownership. In any case, give me a thumbs up if you're still on here, and check out our other videos on your way out. Thanks.